In this video, we're going to be looking at rounding. Often when we deal with numbers, we don't need them to the same accuracy that they're written. So, for example, 152.97. Now, we may only be interested to see how many hundreds there are in this thing. So we want to know if this number is, say, closer to 100, or is it closer to 200? So what we could do is we could write out a number line, put 100, put 200 on, find out where the middle is. So in the middle of 200 is 150. Now everything on this side is going to round up to 200. It's going to be closer to 200. And everything on this side is going to be closer to 100. So if we take our number 152.97, it's to the right of our midpoint, to the right of 150. So we can say this number is closer to 200. In the case of a question of round 152 to the nearest 100, we'd be rounding it up to 200. But we could say, is there a quicker way of doing that? Well, what we do is when we round, if we're rounding to the nearest 100, we'd look in the hundreds column and then we would look right. So we would look right at this 5, at the digit immediately right of the one we're interested in. Now, if the digit is 0 to 4, we round our number down. If the digit is 5 to 9, we round up. So, to the right of our hundreds column is a 5. A 5 is between 5 and 9. So we're going to round up to 200. Let's do a similar thing. Let's round our number to the nearest 10. So, the tens unit is the 5. The 5 is in the tens column. We look to the right, which is a 2. Do we round up or down when there's a 2? Well, 2 is between 0 and 4, so we round down. So we round our number down to 150. For our final example, let's round this to the nearest whole number. So if we're rounding to the nearest whole number, we're rounding to the nearest unit. So that is our 2. We then look right to the 9. Does the 9 make the 2 round up or stay the same? Well, it makes it round up. So rounding to the nearest unit would be 153.